In this video, I'll show you step by step how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive, so your notes are automatically backed up and accessible from any device. First, open your browser and go to Google Drive for desktop. Download and install it on your computer. Once the installation is complete, sign in with your Google account. After signing in, Google Drive will appear on your computer as a folder under This PC. Open it, and you'll see your Google Drive files synced locally. Now, create a new folder inside your Google Drive. You can name it something like Obsidian. This is where all your Obsidian notes will be stored and synced automatically to your Google Drive cloud. Next, open Obsidian on your computer. On the Start screen, click Open Folder as Vault. Browse to your Google Drive folder, select the folder you just created, and click Open. Obsidian will now load that folder as your vault. Everything you create or edit inside this vault, all your notes, markdown files, and attachments will automatically sync with your Google Drive through the desktop app. This means you can access your Obsidian notes from any computer connected to the same Google account, and your data will stay backed up in real time. If you want to access your notes on another device, just install Google Drive for desktop there as well. Wait for it to sync and open the same folder as a vault in Obsidian. And that's it. Your Obsidian vault is now fully synced with Google Drive. All your notes will be saved, backed up, and accessible anywhere you go. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.